Good morning students. Welcome to your software engineering class. In the previous session we have discussed about software quality, and in this session we will discuss about software quality management and the evaluation of software quality management. This is the last topic of your software reliability, that is unit 7, and we have finished all the unit of software engineering. So let's discuss about software quality management. So software quality management system is the principal methodology used by any organization to ensure that the product they develop have the desired quality. Means they develop a good quality product. That is the main aim of software quality management system. And a quality system consists of the following. First is managerial structure and individual responsibility. Means in a quality system is the responsibility of whole organization. Means the whole organization is responsible for a development of the good software quality product. However, every organization have a separate quality department to perform several quality system activity. The quality system of an organization should support of the top management, and without support for the quality system at high level in a company, few members cannot achieve the quality system seriously. Means the software quality system is the individual and all as a whole the organization is responsible for develop a quality product. Okay. Then the next is quality system activities. What are the activity for quality system? Means auditing of project. Okay. Then review of the quality system and development of standards. Means we develop some standard procedure and guidelines to develop the good quality product. Production of report for the top management summarizing the effectiveness of quality system in the organization. Means we have to make report for the top management, what are the different quality effectiveness of quality system, what are the different guidelines, what are the procedure we are following in this organization to develop a good quality product. These are the quality system activity. The first activity is auditing of projects. Okay, then review of quality system, then the development of different development standards, procedure and guidelines, and finally the report for top management summarizing the effectiveness of the quality system in that organization. Okay, so these are the activity of quality system. Then the next is evaluation of quality management system. Means quality system has rapidly evolved over the last 5 decades, and prior to World War II, usually the quality of a product was to inspect the finished product and eliminate the defective product. Means in prior to World War II, we check only the finished product, and if there is any defect product, we only eliminate that product. Okay, since that time, quality system of organization have undergone through 4 stage of evaluation, which we will discuss in the figure. Okay, the initial product inspection method gave the way to quality control. First is inspection, then it comes to quality control. Quality control focus not only on detecting the defective product and eliminating them, but also on determining the cause behind the defect. Means first is inspection, we only eliminate the defect product, and in second, in quality control, we not only detect the defective product and eliminate them, but also determine the causes behind the defect. Thus, quality control aim to correcting the causes of error. Okay, and the next breakthrough in quality system was the development of quality assurance principle. Okay, the basic premise of modern quality assurance is that if an organization process are good and are followed rigorously, then the product are bound to be of good quality. Means the modern quality paradigm include guidance for recognizing, defining, analyzing and improving the production process. Means the process is checked by which we can develop a good software product. Okay, means good quality product. Then it comes total quality management. The total quality management advocate that the process followed by the organization must be continuously improved through the process management. Okay, means the process by which the product is developed that will continuously improve. Okay, through the process of measurement. The total quality management goes a step further than quality assurance and aim at continuous process of improvement. Total quality management goes beyond documentation process to optimize them through a redesign. Okay, means it is a process through which we can develop, the process is the only not the product, the process is to improve by which we can develop the good quality product. Okay, a term related to total quality management is business process re-engineering, that is BPR. BPR aim at re-engineering the way business is carried out in organization. From the above discussion, it can be stated that over the year the quality paradigm has shifted from product assurance to process assurance. Means this is the figure. First, the quality assurance method is inspections, means we only eliminate the defect product. After that it comes quality control. It not only define the causes behind the defect product, it not only reject the defect product, it also find the causes behind the defect product. Then quality assurance means it check the process by which we can design a good quality product. After that, total quality management. Total quality management is the process assurance, means the process was checked. Okay, the process was redefined and it assurance of a good development of good software or good product. So the quality assurance method comes to quality assurance to the process assurance. Okay, today it is process assurance. So this way the quality of a software development is evaluated. Okay, this is the evaluation of quality management system. So the main aim is to develop a good quality software product. Okay, so every organization have a different department for that, but the whole organization is involved to develop a good quality software product. So this is all about your quality management system. Thank you.